Hi YouTube, welcome to my unboxing and review of this Auxbeam T1-H4 LED light bulb conversion system. I saw this one on eBay for around 50 bucks. It's a bit pricier than some of the other models you'll see. Among the lineup I was considering was the Turbo V18 LEDs, the OPT7 LEDs, and of course this Auxbeam unit. So what I'll be doing for you today is I'll just give it an unboxing, show you what comes in the package, and I'll try to install it and try and show you some before and after shots of what it looks like when it's in my H4 headlight assembly. So let's proceed with the unboxing. When you get the package, you get it comes sealed, so you use your box cutter, cut it open, and let's look inside. And when you open it, first thing you're greeted with is a pair of Auxbeam stickers. I'll definitely put in these on my car. Alright, next we have the instruction manual. A nice neat little package here. I'm sure you don't see this with many LED lighting boxes. Here you have the instruction manual, written in both English, Chinese, Russian, and other like Spanish. Okay, so here's the instruction manual. Right. You also get a little thank you note from Auxbeam. So there it is. Okay, so let's put that to the side. Put those to the side. Next we have, look back in the box, there's an accessory box here. Let's pull that open. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so for the accessories, what you get is a pair of, don't know if I can say this, let me try and focus here. You get a pair of CAN bus decoders. So if your vehicle, if you have one of those modern vehicles, maybe a Benz or something like that, that uses CAN bus to communicate between your headlight and the ECU, you can actually place this in between the headlight itself, the bulb itself, and the wiring harness. So yeah, very neat inclusion. I mean, at that price, at this price point, you should be expecting things like these. Alright, so let's continue the unboxing, and here's the final piece. Here we have the actual bulbs themselves, packed in some nice closed cell foam. Good packaging. So let's pull these out. And what we have here are the actual units. So let me give you a close-up of the bulb itself. Alright, so I have here the H4. This particular model, the T1, I know I've seen it in H1, H7, 9006, 9003. So they have a wide variety, but the T1 is actually not the flagship model. They have a higher tier model than this. So I think this was a good middle of the road package to get. So let's take a closer look at the bulb assembly itself. Here you can see we have our H4 housing, 3 prongs. Now what you can actually do with this is, I don't know if you can see, you can actually twist. You can actually twist it to, if you want to get it off the H4 socket. So you can do that. And don't worry about losing the space. If you notice, there's a notch here you can actually line up these notches, and as you're rotating it, it will actually snap back into place, just like that. See, I can't go any further. So good little safety feature there, in case you're tinkering with the bulb, you need to try and get some fitment in, like you want to fit the H4 holster first, then fit in the bulb. You can do that with this unit. Now we have here a nice braided cable. Total length, I would say less than a foot surely, but if you're doing a plug and play conversion, you don't need any more than that. Now here is the interesting bit, right in the middle here. This is where you have that CAN bus connection. So here we have our regular H4 socket termination, but in between that we can actually disconnect this harness, okay? And right here we have two separate pieces, the bulb and your pigtail. In between these, that's where you can place your CAN bus decoder for your modern vehicles. And it's only one way. See, these are two female. You have female and male. Of course, male end goes to the female end, so this would connect like so. Yeah, only goes one way, guys. And then again here we have female and male, so this can only connect one way. And just like that, you now have a fully functional LED H4 CAN bus bulb. So good going. So that's it for the unboxing. I'll see how I can put this in the car and give you a nice shot of the review. See you later, guys. Okay guys, I hope you can hear me over the sound of the car on, but we're outside. It's nighttime, around about 8 o'clock, and we're here with the LED lights installed. So I just want to show you what it looks like with the low beam and the high beam. So right now, as I said, we're outside, lights are off, so go ahead and turn on the park lights. Okay, that's the park lights. It's actually a combination of both the park lights, which are 1156 double contact LED bulbs, and a pair of H3 amber bulbs. So that's a stock park light situation. So now let's get into the low beam. Alright, and that is the low beam, my friends. What I can do is I can probably put a picture side by side of what it looks like comparing the halogen low beam to the Auxbeam T1-H4 low beam, LED low beams. And right away I can tell you it's much brighter. I have the 6000K color, which if you can take a look, let me come around to the front here. 6000K gives it a real nice white shine to it. So you have different colors. You have 4300, 6000, and higher. 6000 gives you the white, 4300 gives you a more, a mellow tone. So that's the low beam. You can see a nice flat cutoff. Let's go to the high beams now. And that's the high beams. Okay, I don't know if you can see from where I am sitting or standing. I can tell you that the high beam really puts more of the beam above above the cutoff line. So it's probably not good with this camera, but there's a tree. There's a tree that it's been that I'm aiming the light at, and when it was on low beam, you know, I wasn't seeing much of that tree. When I put on high beams, now some of the tree gets more visible. Again, probably can't see too well from the camera, but that's the takeaway here. Definitely good to get. I'll try to get some more road time with this, but comparing this to halogens, I mean, I'm already impressed, but proof is in the pudding. We'll take some test drives and I'll report back to you. So thanks for watching the overview, unboxing overview and review of my Auxbeam T1-H4 LED bulbs. Until next time, guys.